Thanks for stopping by. I'm Woody, and this is my dust collection install video. Let me set up my Star Wars lightsaber so I can see what I'm doing here. I'm about half blind. Alright, this motor is heavy, and I had a hard time lifting and holding this by myself. But after that first screw went in, it was all over from there. Yeah, what I didn't show you was how many times I dropped the screws out of that thing trying to hold it up there and screw it in. This remote box I built it using a small controller board with 2 remote controls off of Amazon. This way in the garage, all I have to do is hit the remote and the dust collector will turn on for me. It was a pretty easy build. They make better options now though, like that auto sensing the current drop and whatnot. How y'all doing? I'm just mounting my dust collector on the wall there so I can hook it up to my my box here that I built with the remote in it that runs off of these guys right here. I'd say she's working. This is a 30-gallon trash can. I've got I think it's Oneida. It's called a Dust Deputy. I call it a Cyclone. Anyway, it's mounted on top of it, and it collects all the sawdust and then some. Man, mounting this filter was a huge pain, but I managed to get it installed. I put some of those toggle wall anchors, that you use that have a screw and like a wing nut on the end of them. Works pretty good. It holds it up there pretty tight. I'm going to put a band around it, like a metal band, so I can secure it to the wall, and that'll help keep it, secured. But yeah, it'll work.
Well, I got the motor in up there. It turns on by remote. I got a couple of these jobbers right here. See if I can show you. Yeah, they're just little remote controls. You hit this. That way if I'm over at the table saw, I can just hit the button and turn it on, All the dust are going here from wherever I got it going. This goes up to here, so it sucks it in, drops it down in the bucket. Any excess, which there's hardly any at all, will go up into here, out here, and into the filtration, which is right here. Which is, I'm going to turn that into a bucket eventually. Then it just slides on and off. But yeah, I've used this thing hundreds of times and it's only got this much dust in it. So that's how good it works with this Cyclone. So yeah, this will be a I'm just going to make a face that goes on it, piece of wood, and then have a little slide in it, so I can just slide a bucket on and off, make it easy. And I'm going to put another strap around this to secure it, help secure it to the wall, so it's not got all the pressure on the ceiling up there. So basically, I'm just down to making something secure this a little better, and run my hoses, which I've already got those. And yeah, dust collection will be done after that. And then I can just run it over. If I want to run it in my miter saw, I just go over to my miter saw and hook the dust collection up in the back there. Then it's, America. Bob's your uncle after that, right? What time is it? Yeah, I'm going to have to call it. Yeah, it's a Harbor Freight dust collector. Central Machinery. It comes on a rolly cart and all that kind of stuff with the motor mounted at the bottom, and it just goes straight into like a bag, dust bag on top and whatnot that hangs. But I converted it with this Oneida Dust Deputy, so that I'm not having to shake that big cloth bag that they come with. We don't have to shake it out every 5 minutes. And then it chokes a horse too. So this is a premium setup, trust me, it works great. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all later now. Y'all have a good one now. Bye now, bye.